Hey, are you an Amazon shopper? Have you always wanted to find out more information about an Amazon product? If so, in this video, I'm going to discuss how to use Amazon Here Highlights Join Chat Artificial Intelligence feature. Now, what I'm about to talk about, you can't make this up, and it's been already heavily criticized, but I'll go ahead and talk about it. You know what I'm saying? What you can do is on Amazon, they have a feature where you can hear highlights of a product. And then, well, now it uses artificial intelligence, but no, it gets a bit bizarre. So how to use it? Well, first of all, you have to have the Amazon either Apple iPhone operating system application or Google Android application. Right? I don't have Amazon applications on my dumb device, my smartphone, so I can't demonstrate. But I found this directly from Amazon. Now, it's about Amazon.com, but it's an official domain of theirs, and you can't make this up. All right? So you could type this uniform resource locator that is highlighted on screen if you're interested, right? Or you could use, does Amazon have an artificial intelligence chatbot? Do they? Well, you could use artificial intelligence. You could use any internet search and look for Amazon, here are the highlights, and lets you ask questions. It's also known as the Join Chat AI feature, all right? This is a bit bizarre to me. Now, there are instructions. Okay, so here's what I'll describe it, but here's how you use it. I learned long ago that sometimes you get what the SERPs want, even though you personally would not, right, participate. Okay, how do you use the here are the highlights with Join the Chat? Now, it uses artificial intelligence now. So number one, you would open the Amazon shopping application, and then you would browse to a product detail page on the Apple iPhone operating system application or the Google Android application. Then you want to look for the Here are the Highlights button below an image of the product. It says that not all products have an audio summary. So I didn't even know this existed, times two. Products on Amazon now have an audio feature where you can listen to features of the product as a podcast. Now, this is where it gets really kind of bizarre to me, all right? It says you can click on play on that Here are the Highlights button, and then you can listen to short audio conversations about the key product details and features and who they might be perfect for. But wait a minute. I thought humans have been able to comprehend communication languages like English and French and German and Espanol. Mi español es muy mal. Hablo español muy poquito. Okay, well, I could read that on a page, okay? So down they show an example, and it says then you join the chat. Now, you can chat with this audio podcast that is not real. It's fake. It's artificial intelligence generated. To join the chat, you would tap on that raised Look, this is all fake. This is all artificial intelligence. And Amazon took the time and the money to make it as realistic as possible. They want you to literally think that these are real humans having a podcast about a blender, about a blender or a toaster. All right? You would click on the raised hand icon in order to expand and view the full screen. Then you can either type in, which would be a prompt. It uses an artificial intelligence prompt. You could type into text your question or use the microphone to ask by voice. Okay? It says that you can minimize the player at any time, and after the fact, you continue listening while you browse on Amazon. I mean, this is bizarre. That first feature, when I learned about it, No pun intended, get it? Machine learning, get it? Artificial intelligence. I'm not aware that I'm artificial intelligence chatbot or even general artificial intelligence or generative. Well, you could claim that my YouTube videos are degenerative, but I think I'm real. I think I am, okay? Here's another screen capture image. So you've got products on Amazon, and you click on them, and they play a podcast. Well, that's a bit weird. Well, but now you can join. And guess what? I was not able to demonstrate because I don't download, I don't have an Amazon application on any of my dumb devices, and I just have no reason. So I can't, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, I can't not demonstrate, but the critics claim, well, this is silly. I mean, they claim that it is so realistic that if you do ask it a chat question, or I think it's when you try to speak to it. This is all fake. This is artificial intelligence generated. You're listening to artificial intelligence voices. It actually tells you, oh, please, they put you on hold for like 30 seconds or something. Yeah, get it? They made it seem like it's real, like you're calling in, like QVC. This is just an example. QVC, the home shopping network, right, that you see on, I don't watch television, but, you know, even decades ago, they had that feature where they would be selling items, right, on a live television broadcast, and then you could call in, and then they would pause. This tells you, oh, just wait a minute, and get it? And they got like a call queue, and they've got a 30-second hold. Well, but this is all artificial. I mean, this is bizarre. But hey, you know, the SERPs, they've got choices. Sometimes you get what the SERPs want. There'll be people that will use this, and this is really strange. I mean, why would you even need to? Yeah, want to try it yourself? They've got some products here that you could try this. Yes, but you have to have the smartphone application. They've got facial cleanser. They have a carpet and deep cleaner. They have noise canceling earbuds, an espresso machine, and a bedroom. Oh, a humidifier. Well, actually, I could use a humidifier. It's quite dry here. But this is just, this artificial intelligence obsession is over the top. And I'm not just picking on Amazon. I mean, this is just, it like insults your intelligence, get it? We humans were not intelligent enough to read text in the abstract on a website or on a smartphone from a website or in an application and then make our choices. And then further adding to insult to injury, perhaps not physically, is that they have to have a podcast of a product so you can listen to it. Well, but you couldn't just read the text and look at the pictures and go through the specifications but then no, they had to take it a step further and well, you can talk to the artificial intelligence hosts. Yeah, and then guess what? After they're done answering your queries, your inquiries, then the artificial intelligence will resume. It'll resume where they left off. And then you'll think those are real humans, maybe? Cuckoo! 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 Adios!